Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making thyme buttered carrots. Now what you're going to need for this is, well, you got a pound of baby carrots. You can get regular carrots and cut them up into 3-inch pieces if you like. And I got half a cup of water for the cooking of the carrots. Now for the butter, you're going to need 3 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to do salt and pepper to taste. And a teaspoon of thyme. And then we're going to use a little bit of parsley to as a garnish, or the sprinkle over top when we're done. Okay, let's get this going and see how it all turns out. Sure, it'll be good. Okay guys, as you can see, I got the carrots cooking. It's come to a boil. We're going to just give it a good stir, and once it comes to a boil again here, boiling water, we're going to cover this up and reduce the heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, so we're going to cover it up. I'm going to reduce the heat down and let it simmer for 15 minutes, and then we're going to work on the butter here on the next step. So, alright, see you here shortly when I work on the butter. Okay guys, well, for our next step here, we're going to take our butter, and we're going to get this start melting. Whoa, alright, I hope if I turn the correct one on. Alright, there we go. Gonna get this melted a little bit. Put the salt in there. There we go, it's starting there. So, let me get this butter melted a little bit, and then we'll go on. Oh, it's melting there. It's melting pretty quick. Alright, there we go. I already got salt in there, so I'm going to go ahead and start mixing our. Put a little bit of fresh ground pepper in there. We're going to get that mixed in there. Yeah. Alright, there we go. Once that gets on there, we're going to put in our thyme and get it mixed in there pretty good. Our carrots are almost done, so this will be perfect timing. I'm just gonna make this here melted a little bit. Turn this down a little bit. There we go. Yeah. All right. So. There we go. Alright, well, let me finish up everything here. I'm going to, when the carrots finish, I'm going to put them in a strainer and strain them. Then we'll work on putting this butter on. Okay guys, now it's time to put this final thing together. I've strained the carrots and put those in there. Now next, we're going to put our butter with the thyme. Pour that right over top of here. Alright. And we're going to give it a good mix together. Alright. Now, I'm going to give us all done. And put a little bit of parsley on top. Okay, there we go, guys. Alright. I'm going to let this cool for a little bit and then we'll do a little taste test. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we are ready to serve this up. So there's our carrots. They look so good. They smell good too. So we're going to dip a little bit of this out in the bowl and give this a try. So here we go, guys. These are thyme buttered carrots. So here we go. These are really good, guys. Good flavor. The butter and the thyme just match really well. Carrots have a nice, it's almost like they just melt in your mouth and it just bursts with flavor. These are good, guys. Alright, so this was thyme buttered carrots. It's real easy to make. Hope you guys make it, and comment below and let me know what you think. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, take time to subscribe to my channel. I do cooking videos. I try to get one out every Saturday, and I also do some taste tests and some sightseeing videos as well. And you can get notifications for those when you subscribe to this channel. Alright guys, well, I'll see you on the next video, and I want you guys to enjoy the day the Lord has given you. I'm going to eat a little bit more of these carrots and enjoy the rest of